Teslas are incredible machines, high-tech computers on wheels that can do amazing things. But with all that technology comes the potential for some serious mistakes. Whether it's a setting you accidentally toggle, a button you shouldn't press, or a feature that you misuse, there are ways you can cause real, permanent damage to your Tesla. Let's dive into 10 things you should avoid to keep your car running smoothly and your wallet intact. I'm Mike Seuss, and before starting, I want to thank this video sponsor, TeslaNeckPillows.com, which I'll tell you more about later. For now, let's get started. When you pick up your Tesla, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of driving your new car home. But this is the most critical time to inspect your vehicle thoroughly. Tesla's build quality has improved over the years, but issues like misaligned panels, paint imperfections, or faulty components can still slip through. If you notice anything wrong, speak up immediately. Once you drive off the lot, it becomes much harder to get those issues fixed under warranty. During delivery, take the time to check the exterior for scratches, dents, or misaligned panels. Test all the interior features, including seats, seat belts, and controls. Play music through all speakers to ensure they're working, and check the headlights, taillights, and interior lights. Don't forget to test the charging port to make sure it opens and closes smoothly. Document any issues and report them to Tesla before you leave the delivery center. I made a full walkthrough video and printable checklist here. Tesla's Sentry Mode and Dashcam are two of the most valuable features for protecting your car. Sentry Mode uses the car's cameras to monitor your surroundings when the car is parked, while the Dashcam records footage while driving. These features can provide crucial evidence in case of an accident, vandalism, or theft. However, they only work if your USB drive is functioning. If the drive fails, gets unplugged, or becomes corrupted, you could lose critical footage. Always check that the Dashcam icon on your screen is active and recording. If you see a red X or an error message, troubleshoot the issue immediately. To ensure reliable Dashcam usage, consider upgrading to a high-endurance microSD card designed for continuous recording. Make sure the drive is formatted correctly, FAT32 or exFAT, and has enough storage space. Get into the habit of checking the Dashcam icon every time you drive. Tesla doors are unique because they don't have traditional handles. Instead, they use a button to open the door, which also lowers the window slightly to prevent damage to the window trim. However, there's also an emergency door release, a small latch inside the door that can be used if the button fails. While the emergency release is there for safety, using it regularly can damage the window trim. That's because the window doesn't lower when you use the emergency release, causing the glass to rub against the trim. Over time, this can lead to scratches, cracks, or even permanent damage. Always use the button to open the door and make sure your passengers know how to use it properly. I found a cool hidden feature that allows you to pop open your door remotely in the Tesla mobile app. You can find out how to do it in my Tesla Hidden Features video here. Yes, there's a right and wrong way to close your Tesla's frunk. Slamming it shut can damage the latch or the hood itself. Instead, press down gently with both hands on the Tesla logo to close it properly. It might sound silly, but it's a small habit that can save you big repair costs. The frunk is a convenient storage space, but it's not as robust as the trunk. Avoid overloading it with heavy items, as this can strain the hinges and latch. If you notice any issues with the frunk, such as difficulty closing or unusual noises, have it inspected by a Tesla service center as soon as possible. Tesla no longer includes a charging cable with new vehicles, so you'll need to figure out your charging situation before you take delivery. Whether it's a home wall connector, a mobile charger, or a third-party option, make sure you're set up to charge your car efficiently. Relying on a standard 120V outlet, trickle charging, can leave you stranded with a dead battery. A home wall connector is the most convenient option, providing faster charging speeds and seamless integration with your Tesla. If you don't have a wall connector, a mobile charger with a NEMA 1450 plug is a good alternative. Just make sure you have an electrician install the appropriate outlet in your garage. If you're relying on public charging stations, plan your routes and charging stops in advance to avoid running out of power. Now let's talk about this video sponsor. If you spend hours behind the wheel, these pillows provide essential support for your head and shoulders, making long drives much more comfortable. They're my favorite accessory because they elevate your driving experience, seamlessly blending style, comfort, and health benefits. They're made for every Tesla model and come in 3 colors that perfectly match their interiors. Whether you're short or tall, you can adjust the firmness and the height of the pillow to provide consistent support for your neck, back, and shoulders. Don't just take my word for it. They have hundreds of 5-star reviews from Tesla owners just like you. The shipping is free and they come with a 14-day guarantee. But because you're watching my video, I can give you an additional 15% off. Just use my code MS15 at teslaneckpillows.com. Smart Summon is a cool feature, but it's not foolproof. If you're not paying attention, your car could scrape against a curb, hit another vehicle, or even damage itself. Always keep an eye on your Tesla when using Smart Summon, and only use it in open, safe areas. Smart Summon works best in parking lots with clear lines of sight and minimal obstacles. Avoid using it in crowded or tight spaces, as the car's sensors may not detect all potential hazards. If you're unsure about the conditions, it's better to walk to your car instead of risking damage. Tesla regularly releases over-the-air software updates that improve performance, add features, and fix bugs. Ignoring these updates can leave your car vulnerable to issues or missing out on new functionality. Make sure your Tesla is connected to Wi-Fi and set to install updates automatically. Software updates can include everything from improved autopilot performance to new entertainment options. Some updates even address safety concerns or improve battery efficiency. If you're not receiving updates, check your Wi-Fi connection and ensure your car is parked in an area with strong signal strength. Your Tesla keycard is your backup access method, and you should always keep it safe. If your phone key fails and you need to hand your car over to valet, that car key is essential. Losing it can leave you locked out of your own car, so keep it in a secure spot. Consider keeping your keycard in your wallet or a dedicated card holder. If you frequently use valet services, you might want to invest in a key fob for added convenience. Just make sure you have a backup plan in case your primary access method fails. Teslas are heavy, and tire pressure plays a big role in performance and efficiency. If your tires are underinflated, you'll lose range and risk damaging the tires. Check your tire pressure regularly and keep it at the recommended level. Tesla's touchscreen displays real-time tire pressure information, so it's easy to monitor. If you notice a tire is consistently losing pressure, have it inspected for leaks or damage. Properly inflated tires not only improve range, but also enhance handling and safety. While Teslas require less maintenance than gas cars, they're not maintenance-free. Things like brake fluid, cabin air filters, and tire rotations still need attention. Skipping these can lead to bigger problems down the road. Tesla's service schedule is relatively simple, but it's important to follow it. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your car and prevent costly repairs. If you're unsure about what your Tesla needs, consult the owner's manual or contact a Tesla service center. Bonus tip: use a Tesla referral link. Before you buy your Tesla, don't forget to use a referral link. It's a simple way to save money and get perks like free supercharging mile or discounts on accessories. If you don't have a link, feel free to use mine. It's in the description below. It costs you nothing, and it's an easy way to support the channel while saving on your purchase. Owning a Tesla is an amazing experience, but it comes with its own set of quirks and challenges. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can keep your car in great shape and avoid costly repairs. What's the biggest issue you've run into with your Tesla? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for some awesome accessories for your Tesla, I've got you covered. Just check the links in the description. You'll not only find some great deals, but also support the channel. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like this video and consider subscribing to the channel for more Tesla content like this video. Until next time, peace.